Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 5th December. Let's start. In the year of 1924, on this day, freedom fighter, educationist and social activist S. Subramania Iyer passed away. He was popular known as the Grand Old Man of South India. In the year of 1941, on this day, Amrita Shergill, the famous Indian female painter, passed away in Lahore. Many of his works were appreciated all over the world. In the year of 1941, on this day, the American aircraft carrier Lexington and five heavy cruisers depart Pearl Harbor. In the year of 1944, on this day, German soldiers stole all silver coins in Utrecht. In the year of 1950, on this day, Arvind Ghosh, freedom fighter, poet, philosopher, passed away. In the year of 1950, on this day, Sikkim became a protected area of India. In the year of 1955, on this day, STD service came into existence, allowing long-distance telephone calls to reach every household. In the year of 1969, on this day, Anjali Bhagwat, the famous shooter who brought India's name to the world in shooting, was born. In the year of 1971, on this day, India recognized Bangladesh as a country. In the year of 1998, on this day, Russia agreed to give the Indian Navy a Krava-class multi-role warship. In the year of 1999, on this day, Yukta Mukhi won the title of Miss World. In the year of 2001, on this day, the four factions agree on the formation of an interim government under the leadership of Hamid Karzai in Afghanistan. In the year of 2013, on this day, former South African President and Bharat Ratna awardee Nelson Mandela passed away. In the year of 2016, on this day, Jayalalitha, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and well-known leader of the All India Anna Dirbad Munnetra Kazhagam party, passed away. In the year of 2016, on this day, Malta became the first country in Europe to outlaw religious conversion therapy. In the year of 2017, on this day, Russia was banned from the next Winter Olympics in South Korea over state-sponsored doping. In the year of 2018, on this day, Albert Einstein's letter on the concept of religious from 1954 sold for $2.9 million at Christie's in New York. In the year of 2019, on this day, national strike in France happened. More than 8 lakh people in 100 cities protest against the proposed pension reform. In the year of 2020, on this day, the central government had launched the quarterly return filing and monthly tax payment (QRMP) scheme for small taxpayers under the GST system. In the year of 2020, today, on this day, Swedish pole vaulter Mondo Duplantis and Venezuelan triple jumper Yulimar Rojas presented the 2020 Men's and Women's World Athlete of the Year awards. They are the first person from his countries to receive the prestigious athletics award announced during virtual awards. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated as International Volunteer Day, also known as International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development, is observed every year on 5 December. International adherence to IVD was mandated by the United Nations General Assembly in 1985. In the year of 2021, today is also celebrated as World Soil Day. World Soil Day is observed every year on 5 December to raise awareness about the importance of soil quality for human welfare, food security, and ecosystems. An international day to celebrate soil was recommended by the International Union for Soil Science (IUSS) in 2002. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.